sleepy cuttlefish. A surprise attack snares supper. Pulling itself along the seafloor on its lower arms, this tiny hunter forges for food. It blends into the background, matching its surroundings with quick camouflage. Then, hidden among sand, coral, or algae, it ambushes unsuspecting
look,
prey.
It came out red.
Yeah, it must be some sort of... Look at it rippling. It's got that rippling red.
Changing color before my eyes.
Where?
It was like this big. Super pretty.
Are you allowed to dive in these kinds of things?
No.
How would they clean the inside?
Well, they come up there, the workers clean them.
How do they clean down here?
That's a Nautilus. We can go see a real one right over here if you want.
Change right in front.
Pretty much your shirt. Almost like he's trying to mention.
Look at these guys. See, there's a Aria, Luke, come here.
I think he's being quite flamboyant.
Luke, we're going this way.